Hello everyone, welcome back. So we all know that Phantom Wallet is one of the most popular wallets for the Solana blockchain, but sometimes we face issues while swapping the tokens. So if you are wondering why can't I swap on Phantom Wallet, don't worry because in this video I will explain the possible reasons and how you can fix them. So one of the most common reasons for the swapping problem is Solana network congestion. So when the network is overloaded, transactions can fail or take longer than expected. So you need to make sure that you wait for minutes and then attempt the swap again. Now the second reason might be due to the insufficient SOL for the gas fees. You might have faced this type of notification that you have insufficient SOL for gas fees in your account. So Phantom Wallet actually requires SOL for the transaction to happen. So it will take SOL as a transaction fees. So if you don't have enough SOL, your swap won't go through. So the solution would be to keep at least 0.01 SOL in your wallet for the smooth transactions. Now the third reason might be because of the low slippage. So in order to fix this thing, you will have to come on the swap page and tap on this option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here you will see this slippage option. So slippage tolerance is the percentage of the price difference you are willing to accept during the swap. So if it is too low, the transaction might fail. So you need to just keep it between 1 to 3%. So you can just change it. As you can see that for my swap it is on 2%, but if 2% is not sufficient for you, you can even select it as 3% and try the swapping again. So sometimes the tokens also have very low liquidity, meaning that there aren't enough buyers or sellers on the dexes for that particular coin. So you need to check the token's liquidity as well on Radium or Jupiter exchange before actually swapping that token. So these were some of the solutions that you can use in order to fix this problem, and you are definitely going to fix this problem if you follow these instructions very carefully. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.